Good morning. Definitely not the morning. Should have really picked a camera up way before now. It's currently like, yeah, late on a Tuesday.
So I just want to stop the video here and just say that this video is a lot shorter than normal. Unfortunately, and I don't quite know how, I've lost quite a lot of my footage. There's probably about 2 videos worth of footage that is completely gone missing, and I genuinely don't understand where it's gone and why. So the end of this video literally just stops, unfortunately, and the next video I actually had recorded is completely gone. So yeah, that's a little bit gutting, but just thought I'd give a little bit of context of why this video was so short and whatnot. But I'll leave you to go back and watch what footage I have still got.
But we've been busy, we've had lots and lots to do. So quick roundup. I took my van for an MOT. She's passed. Did have to do a little bit of work. She needed CV gaiters and yeah, but she's done, dusted, and through her MOT. Mr. Namo, as you can probably hear, we'll leave him to do that. He's currently welding this. Now, you've probably seen this van was on John's ramp a little while ago. Now, poor thing is a bit stripped apart. This is a 150. You can see somewhere under all this. There's the log manifold. There's a big 150 turbo back there. She's brand spanking new. John fitted that not long ago. But she needs wiring loom because this one is got some problems. Injectors and lots of welding. This poor thing is just a mess everywhere. And as you can see, Namo's already making a start back here. So while he's doing that, I'm stripping the front end apart. I've so far pulled all this lot apart. I'm now taking the door off, which is what I'm currently doing as we speak. Take some screws out of there, door card can come off, wiring loom can come out, door can come off. That is my job, and then I'm going to be cutting the sill and arch. That's going to be what I'm up to. Like I said, I should have really picked a camera up. I am sorry I haven't. We've just been stupidly busy at the minute. Mr. John, I think he's in there. There he is. You can see he's in there. See his little feet. That van actually... Hello, people. See, there he is. Good. You good? He's good. Now, this van actually came from a different garage because, unfortunately, that garage couldn't get it running, so it came here. John worked his magic, done a bit of this, bit of that, and as you can hear, she is running. John the Wizard. So yeah. Mr. John's worked his magic, so he's just going to sort out some of the electricalness, and another one bites the dust. Hopefully we can actually do that. Thought I should really pick a camera up, show a little bit of something that's going on. I'm going to set to taking this door apart and getting this thing off. I might set the camera up inside, you can have a little watch and see what Mr. Namo's up to. That sounds like an idea. That sounds like a good idea.
And welcome to pretty much the end of the video. So this was just a little bit of just sort of welding and grinding a bunch of holes that were in this floor. And as you'll see in a second, I was taking the door off. Oh, there you go. I was taking the door off and welding the sill and arch. But yeah, absolutely gutted that I lost that footage because, well, just looks a bit weird video ending the way it does. But it is what it is. No point crying over spilt milk. I'm going to get myself gone. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting up with our dumb ass. And as always, take it easy.